Welcome to the brand new Drinkstuff YouTube channel. My name is Steve the Barman and I'm hoping to upload 2 to 3 videos a week, all with the sole intention of helping you with your drinks and your cocktail game. Drinkstuff, as you may be able to see behind me, their tagline is serving inspiration, and that is what I'm all about. That is what I love doing. So over the next coming weeks and months, what I hope to do is bring you product reviews. I'm going to showcase some awesome glassware. We're going to deep dive into some really funky and cool bartending equipment as well. And then we're going to kind of deep dive into the sort of syrups and the purees, all that kind of stuff that Drinkstuff sell to help you with your cocktails, whether you're at home or whether you're running pubs, bars, hotels or restaurants. And then who knows, I might even try and be a little bit cheeky and go behind the scenes to show you some of the boys and girls that have been making Drinkstuff awesome since 1977, but shh, don't tell them. Anyway, if that sounds like your cup of tea, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you've got any questions about anything on the Drinkstuff website, hit me up in the comments below. I'll try and answer them as quickly as possible, but who knows, you might even get a video about it.